Okay, in this chapter we are going to learn about array methods. So first of all, let's store some, let me say, fruits. Let fruits equal to square bracket. Then we put in some fruit names: mango, coconut, banana. So let's stick with that. And now if you want to see the length of this array, you just let's store it in length is equal to, then you call the fruit the variable of the arrays, that's the fruit dot length. So let's put in the console and type length. Let's save it and see. Okay, we got 3. That is the length. So we got 1, 2, 3. Note that this isn't index, this is length. If it were to be index, it would be 0, 1, 2. So we will have 2. But this is length. It starts from 1, 2, 3. So let's go on and use another method. So the next method we are going to learn about pop. The pop method is used to remove the last element from array. So here we have the last element to be banana. So if you want to remove the banana, you just say fruit dot pop, then you bring your parentheses. That's it. So let's now see. So okay, first of all, let me comment this out and let's see what we get in fruit. I'm putting the fruit in the console log, so you see the fruit array. Let's save it. Okay, so here we are seeing mango, coconut and banana. Let's go on and use the pop. So fruits dot pop, that means we have removed the last element from the fruit array. So now let's check what we have in the fruit array. Save it and okay. So now we have only mango and coconut. You see there is no banana because we popped it out. Okay, we have another method called push, and the push, like the pop, it is used to push a new element to the end of the array. So let's use it here. So let's use push, and inside the push we will put what we want to push to the array. Let's say we want to add let's say pair to the array. Fruit dot push, then we insert the element we want to add to the array. So we want to add pair to the array. So let's save it and go check. Okay, so we have pair here. Yes, we have pair here, like we added it. Okay, just like we have push, pop and push, we also have another method that we use to. Okay, we have a shift method. The shift method is used to remove the first element from an array, like the pop element. The pop method. The pop method is used to remove the last element, but the shift method is used to remove the first element. So let's see fruit dot shift. So let's save it and see. Okay, so now we don't have mango anymore, so coconut has become the first element. Okay, and the unshift, the unshift is used to add new element to the first position or to the first index. So we want to, okay, so fruits dot on shift, that we are adding a new element to the array, but that will be the first element. So let's say we are adding pair. Let's save it and check our browser. Okay, we now have pair as the first element. So if you want to change, let's say mango to pear, you are not removing the mango. If you want to change it to pear, you just do fruits, then you bring the brackets, then you insert the index of the elements you want to change. So we want to change mango, and mango is the first index, so it is 0. So 0 equals to pear. Let's save it and check our browser. Okay, so we now have pear instead of mango. You can just do it to the second index, which is 1. That's coconut. Let's save it and see. Okay, we have pear instead of coconut. So that is it. We have many methods for arrays, but we will stick with this one. We have some methods like concat, delete, join, flat, splice, slice, and all of that, but we will stick with this one.